Imagine cleaning an old room, taking a deep breath, and unknowingly inhaling a virus that could attack your lungs within days. Sounds like a horror movie, right? But this is real. It's called Hantavirus, a rare but potentially deadly virus linked to rodents like mice and rats. And recently, online panic exploded after reports connected a possible hantavirus situation to a cruise ship environment. So what exactly is hantavirus? How dangerous is it? And should people actually be worried? Let's break it down. Hantavirus isn't new. Health experts have known about it for years. But every time a case appears in the news, fear spreads fast because the symptoms can become extremely serious very quickly. The virus is mainly spread through contact with infected rodent droppings, urine, or saliva. In some situations, simply breathing contaminated dust particles can expose someone to the virus. That's what makes it scary. Many people don't even realize they were exposed until symptoms begin. At first, hantavirus symptoms can feel just like the flu. People may experience fever, muscle aches, headaches, fatigue, chills, nausea, but then things can suddenly become dangerous. In severe cases, the virus can affect the lungs and make breathing extremely difficult. Some patients require emergency medical treatment and hospitalization. One reason hantavirus keeps going viral online is because it sounds so unexpected. Most people think viruses spread mainly from person to person, but in this case, rodents are the biggest concern. Places with poor ventilation, abandoned buildings, storage rooms, garages, cabins, or dusty spaces with rodent activity can become risky if not cleaned properly. And that's why stories involving cruise ships, hotels, or enclosed environments instantly create public fear online. Now, before panic spreads, it's important to understand something very clearly. Hantavirus is considered rare. Most people will never encounter it. But health experts still take it seriously because of how dangerous severe cases can become. The good news? There are ways to reduce risk significantly. Experts recommend never sweeping rodent droppings dry, using disinfectant spray first, wearing gloves and masks while cleaning contaminated areas, sealing holes where rodents can enter, keeping food properly stored. Simple precautions can make a huge difference, but what makes stories like this go massively viral online is fear of the unknown. A hidden virus, unexpected symptoms, and environments people usually consider safe. That combination grabs attention instantly. The internet often turns health scares into massive panic within hours. And while awareness is important, misinformation spreads fast, too. So, the best thing you can do is stay informed, stay calm, and follow trusted health guidance. Hantavirus may be rare, but understanding how it spreads could help protect you and your family. And honestly, after hearing this, a lot of people will probably think twice before cleaning dusty storage spaces without protection again. Comment below and subscribe for more real health stories, medical mysteries, and viral news explained.